In the ingredients, at the first we have some mixed vegetables. In this we have some cabbage, cauliflower, French beans, carrot. These are the four ingredients that we have in this, about 2 to 3 tablespoons each. And we have some spring onion whites, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, green chilies, cornstarch or also known as corn flour. We have some oil here, soy sauce. I'm using dark, you may use any one that you have, pepper, salt, coriander and mint. And of course we have some vegetable stock. Here I have it, and this is the fresh one. If possible, use the fresh one, and you may use any one that you have, clear or the normal one. Let's start. Like all the Chinese cooking, this also has to be done in very high flame. I have some oil I'm going to add to this pan, and then let's add our green chilies, ginger and garlic. Now this garlic is little bit brown. Let me add the spring onions. You may also use normal onions. Quickly saute this. Now add the mixed veggies. Now these are a little bit done. Let me add the tomatoes. This mixture is done. Let me add the vegetable stock. So that was quick, isn't it? Now we are going to wait until it gets a roaring boil. Now this is bubbling really well. Let me add the pepper, salt and soy sauce. Now at the last, let me finish off with some coriander and mint. We are going to add the corn flour mixture. I diluted the corn flour with some water. Our soup is ready. Let's serve this. Here is my soup ready to be gobbled up. I am serving it with some brown noodles. You may serve it with fried noodles. Thank you for watching.